The Vanishing Hitchhiker. In the outskirts of Bangalore, there was a stretch of highway notorious for its foggy nights and unsettling tales. One such legend revolved around a vanishing hitchhiker, a young woman dressed in a white sari, who appeared to lone drivers on lonely stretches of the road. Rajiv, a software engineer who commuted between Bangalore and his hometown every weekend, had heard the stories but dismissed them as superstition. One chilly evening, as he drove home after a late-night project deadline, he encountered a figure standing by the roadside, a woman in a white sari, her face obscured by the shadows. Feeling a pang of sympathy for someone stranded on such a cold night, Rajiv slowed down and rolled down his window. "Do you need a ride?" he called out over the rumble of his engine. The woman nodded silently and climbed into the back seat of Rajiv's car without a word. Her presence was unsettling. She sat quietly, her gaze fixed straight ahead as if lost in thought. Rajiv attempted small talk, but she responded with only brief nods and monosyllabic answers. As they approached a dimly lit crossroads, the woman suddenly spoke in a soft, distant voice. "Please stop here," she requested, pointing to a spot near an old banyan tree. Confused but obliging, Rajiv pulled over and watched as the woman stepped out into the chilly night air. He called out after her, offering to drive her further, but she ignored him and walked towards the banyan tree. Puzzled and concerned, Rajiv waited a few moments before deciding to follow her. When he reached the tree, however, there was no sign of the woman. The fog had thickened, obscuring his vision, and the only sound was the rustling of leaves in the breeze. Shaken, Rajiv returned to his car and continued his journey home, his mind racing with questions. He couldn't shake off the feeling that something was deeply wrong about the encounter. When he reached home, he recounted the strange incident to his family, who grew pale and exchanged worried glances. Days later, Rajiv learned the truth from an elderly neighbor. The crossroads where he had encountered the woman was notorious for fatal accidents, especially during foggy nights. Many years ago, a young woman dressed in white had died in a car crash at that exact spot. According to local law, her spirit haunted the highway, appearing to drivers as a vanishing hitchhiker. She was said to seek rides from unsuspecting travelers, only to vanish without a trace at the site of her tragic death. From that day onward, Rajiv avoided driving on that stretch of highway at night. He couldn't forget the woman in the white sari or the eerie feeling of being in the presence of something beyond the realm of the living. The memory of that fateful encounter stayed with him, a chilling reminder of the inexplicable mysteries that lurk in the darkness along deserted highways. Join us in the shadows. Like, share, and subscribe to dive deeper into our chilling world of horror.